Hi guys, and welcome to day number 5 of our 21 baby steps to an organized home with the Fly Lady system, SUZY style. Yes. Now, on day number 5, we are going to create a control journal. A control journal is just basically you get a random file from your house, and Fly Lady is very keen on you not necessarily going to look for the best file that you can from the supermarket and everything. Honestly, I just grabbed this from our homeschooling drawer. I will not lie. But the key thing of the control journal is that we're going to get some plain papers like this, and just get, you see, like this plain ruled papers. Then we are going to file them in our control journal, and on each paper we are going to write morning routine, afternoon routine, and evening routine. Then as we go along with the baby steps, we are going to keep filling them so that you will have one place where you can check all your routines in one day, and you will know exactly what's supposed to be done on that day. Moreover, what else you will put in your control journal as time goes is that you are going to put the 11 commandments of the Fly Lady. Yes, she has 11 commandments. Please do not say I'm spreading heresy and blasphemy. It is just 11 tips that she has for keeping your home and yourself nice and organized. Not only that, you also put any information that is important for you for running your home. For instance, for me, in my control journal, I'm going to put like our electricity account, so that in case I need to pay for electricity, I know where to find it. Our water account, how to pay for it on M-Pesa, our new house help, the day she came, how much I'm paying her, if we have a contract, everything that goes towards running the home, I am going to put in my control journal. This is my second control journal. I had one a couple of years ago, but I gifted it to my mom because she needed one, and I was like, hey, this thing has all the information you need to do the Fly Lady system. So I gave it to her. Mom, I hope you're using that control journal. In the meantime, let us go ahead and fill out the morning and evening and afternoon routine, and then I'm going to file it in the control journal. If you have not downloaded this checklist, please do so. There's a link in the description below, which is just taking us through the steps that we're doing. So far, we are shining our sink, we are dressing to shoes, and then also we've put out a hotspot every day. We've picked out tomorrow's outfit, so today we're dealing with the control journal. Remember also, if you're just joining us, just join us where we are and we will move on, or you can go back to number 1. It's up to you, just as long as you're flying with us and your home is getting organized and all that. So yes, first, before I start writing, I need to give my hands some TLC because I just finished watching. I was watching football. No, I wasn't. I was washing our lunchtime dishes, and my hands are looking a certain type of way. And yeah, they need some TLC from the queen herself. And also, I'm taking some green tea, you guys, because my voice is still not back. So let's fill out the control journal. So there you have it. Our control journal is up and ready to go. Now, if you want, you can also file our checklist. And remember, there's a reason why the Fly Lady says progress, not perfection. Don't look for your file and your control journal to be perfect. As you saw, even one of my papers got torn badly, but you know what? What matters is that it has the information that I need. And also, one thing I'd like to note is that this paper is useful for us only as we are going through our 21 baby steps. But once we are done, the control journal is what is going to keep us going throughout and from now henceforth, so that we know what our morning routine is, what our afternoon routine is, what our evening routine is, and all that. Over time, we are going to go through zone cleaning with the Fly Lady system, the daily focus, and all that. So we are going to put that all in our control journal. Now, one thing you should add in your morning routine, now that you have a control journal, is to check your control journal. It is very important in the morning to check in your control journal what you're supposed to be doing on that day, especially as we keep filling it and going into daily focus and zone cleaning and all that. And also, one thing I forgot to mention is that if you want more information on the Fly Lady system, she has a website which is detailed, and it can be a bit confusing to go through all of it, but it has most of the information, actually all the information. And all I'm doing with this baby step is I'm making it easier for you to understand what is on the website. But feel free to go to flylady.org or .net, and you will see everything that we're talking about here. One thing I want to say also is when you come to work, when you come from work, if you work outside of the home, remember that is also a good time for you to dress to shoes. Yes, so even when you get home in the evening, take a 15 minutes breather, say hi to your people, hug them and all that, and then now put on your shoes so that you can get on to the evening routine and get a lot of work done. So now let's tick our day number 5 and also put our checklist into our control journal and call it a day.